Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically spawn the gold pink currency, the gold currency only on Dress To Impress. So it is a little bit tedious, but if you've ever wondered like how people do this on like their private servers, you can do this. You're basically just going to collect all of the pink currencies and just wait until all of the gold spawns. So do not collect the gold one and just leave the gold one essentially and just collect the pink currency on Dress To Impress, and that's going to all spawn gold. But yes, it is a little bit tedious since you have to collect all of the pink ones first. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.